Welcome back to Retirees Benefits Today. There's an important operational change coming to Social Security on March 7th, 2026. And while it won't reduce your monthly check, it could change how you file, schedule, and interact with the Social Security Administration moving forward. If you're planning to claim benefits soon, helping a spouse apply, or assisting a parent with retirement paperwork, this is something you should understand now, not after the system changes. Let's walk through it calmly and clearly. Beginning March 7th, the Social Security Administration will move away from its traditional local office-based workflow and shift toward a centralized national system for scheduling and processing initial claims. For decades, local field offices largely handled applications from residents within their geographic area. That meant your claim was typically processed by staff familiar with your state and region. That structure is being redesigned. Two nationwide systems will launch simultaneously. The first is a national appointment scheduling calendar, which will standardize how initial claim appointments are booked. The second is a national workload management system, designed to distribute claims across the country based on employee availability and expertise, rather than location. In practical terms, this means your appointment may no longer be tied to your nearest field office. Social Security employees will schedule claims using a national calendar platform, and members of the public will also be able to book their own initial claim appointments through that same system. Even more significantly, once a claim is submitted, it may be assigned to an employee anywhere in the country. Your paperwork could be processed in a different state than the one you live in. Phone inquiries may connect you with representatives outside your region. This is a structural shift in how the agency operates internally. Why is this happening? Staffing challenges appear to be a major factor. Over the past year, thousands of SSA employees left the agency. With fewer workers available at certain field offices, some regions have faced longer wait times and appointment backlogs. A centralized system is intended to balance the workload more evenly across the country, ensuring that available employees can handle claims regardless of geographic boundaries. In theory, this approach could reduce bottlenecks in high-demand areas. If implemented effectively, it may allow faster appointment scheduling and more consistent claim processing times nationwide. However, transitions of this scale do come with questions. Historically, many SSA employees handled claims specific to their region. They were familiar with local procedures and state-level differences that can affect certain programs, especially supplemental security income. Although Social Security retirement and disability benefits follow federal rules, some related programs include variations that require attention to detail. Under the new system, employees may encounter cases from states they have not previously worked with. While the agency is expected to provide training and support, the adjustment period could present temporary challenges. That does not mean beneficiaries should expect immediate disruptions. But it does mean March 7th marks the beginning of a new operational model, one the agency has not used before. There are potential advantages as well. A national scheduling platform could give applicants more flexibility when booking appointments. Workload balancing may reduce delays in regions that have struggled with staffing shortages, and distributing claims nationally could, over time, create a more efficient processing environment. The long-term outcome will depend on how smoothly the rollout is managed and how effectively employees adapt to the new system. For retirees and future beneficiaries, preparation is simple but important. If you plan to file for benefits in early 2026, consider scheduling your appointment in advance. Keep essential documents organized, including identification, earnings history, and banking information. Monitor official SSA communications for any procedural updates. And during the initial transition period, allow for the possibility of slight adjustments as the system stabilizes. Most importantly, understand what this change is and what it is not. March 7th, 2026 is not a benefit reduction date. It is not a cost of living adjustment change. It does not alter eligibility rules or payment formulas. It is an administrative transformation designed to change how claims are scheduled and processed behind the scenes. For many beneficiaries, the shift may feel seamless. For others, there may be minor differences in how appointments are handled or who processes their claim. Awareness now can prevent confusion later. If you found this breakdown helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Are you planning to file for Social Security in 2026, or are you already receiving benefits? And for steady, fact-based retirement updates without hype or unnecessary alarm, stay connected to Retirees Benefits Today. We'll continue following this March 7th transition closely and keep you informed every step of the way.